Hey everybody, Tim and Ryan here with another mini series. We're going to be talking about security. So today is going to be part one of an ongoing series where we're going to talk a little bit about SIEM and SOC as a service. Just high level, why do we have SIEMs?
It's a system that's supposed to improve incident management by allowing your security team to see the attacker's route throughout your network. The average company is seeing 10,000 alerts a day. 67% of organizations judge their SIM to be ineffective. I found this really interesting article on Dark Reading. They outlined 5 reasons why SIM deployments fail. The article was from 2010, Tim, a decade ago, and here's the 5 things. Number 1, it's hard to use. Number 2, log management lacks standardization. Number 3, organizational struggle. 4, scalability. It comes to the last point of just there's not enough time, money, resources to support your people to actually make this successful. The concept is great. The concept has been around for a long, long time, but the challenges still remain today.
Let's talk about some of the top 3 reasons why organizations use SIEM today.
It's going to vary by what the customer deems as. Think of it like your crown jewels. Like, what are you trying to protect? First thing, SIM is really used for incident detection, detecting malicious behavior, what's going on inside your network that would otherwise go unnoticed. Number 2, absolutely regulatory compliance. Access logging, make sure that only the people that are authorized to access that information are able to get to that information. And I'd say the third thing is just efficient incident management. How often are my C-level employees getting phished or spear phished? How often is my organization being hit? Is this the same thing or is this slightly different? Trying to stay one step ahead of the next incident that's out there.
All right, everybody. Thanks for joining Ryan and I today as we talk a little bit about the foundational levels of SIEM, why we have it, some of the challenges behind having a SIEM, and what other organizations like yours are facing. So tune in next time as we start talking about different ways that we can change the game on this, and again, what we're seeing in the industry. Lastly, please feel free to leave some comments, make some suggestions, and also what would you like to see is from Ryan and I going forward. This is for you guys. So thanks again for joining, and we'll talk to you guys really soon.
Thanks, everyone.